Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Josephine here. Today's video is a camera unboxing video. A friend of mine gifted me a camera, so I decided to unbox it for you guys. Yeah, so this is the Monitech 4K digital camera. I'm just showing you how it comes. It says it has 48 megapixels, 16 times digital zoom. It has an HDR mode, autofocus, wide angle lens, and has a LED fill light. So I'm starting off opening the box and I'm getting the foam out of the way, and also the notes that comes with it. There was just one that was written in English, so I just didn't even bother. And yeah, I'm getting the camera out of the box because that's what we're here for. Yeah, I'll take the part off first, and then I'm going to take the camera out of the rubber. I don't know if it's just a rubber, like, you know, that protective shield thing. Yeah, and yeah, this is the camera. I think the lens that comes with it cannot be removed or replaced. It's just like this. I'm just showing you the back and front part of the camera, and it also has a flip screen as well. Yeah, that's the flip screen where you can record and see yourself at the same time. So these are the controls, I think, and the battery slots, and also USB and charge, USB and microphone slots. Yeah, and it also comes with an SD card slot, but I forgot to show you guys. So I just decided to unbox the little box inside the main box, and this came with an instruction manual. I don't know what this is, but I think it's for the battery. Yeah, and then it also came with a battery, of course, and a spare battery. Yeah, and also a 32 gigabyte SD card, and also a USB pen drive, a charger as well. Yeah, and I think this is also for the lens. You can clean the lens with it, I'm sure, because I mostly see this in for like glasses, so I'm sure this is for the lens. Yeah, so I inserted the battery and then turned it on. Yeah, it says welcome. So this is how it's looking like. I was just trying to see what the menu on it entails and learn more about it. Like I said, this is my first time handling a digital camera, so I have no idea, just that I watch more videos on it, so I'll just still search and learn more about it. This is how it's looking like. I'm just trying to see from different angles and all that. So I inserted an SD card as well, and I was supposed to how do you say, format the SD card before it's going to work, but I inserted it. It came on the screen for me to format. I didn't know how to do that. I later picked up the instruction manual, and that didn't help, so I later figured it out myself, and then I did it. Yeah, so I formatted it and I took some sample shots just to see how the camera is. In all, I love it. It's a good camera. It's not extra quality, but this is also okay for you if you're starting off with content creating. You can do videos, you can take pictures with that, and it's still going to come out clean. And yeah, I love the camera in general. I love it. It's okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys loved my little unboxing. So I'll see you all in my next video, and it's bye bye for now.